Hello and welcome back to day 10 of the Simple Sexy Surprise series. Tonight I'm going to show you how to set your home up to give an at-home massage. But first, let me show you the outfit for tonight. This beautiful white robe with rose petal sleeves is from Shein.com. Why don't you go and check them out? You got 4 more days until Valentine's Day. This is so sexy. He'll love it. I decided to change my husband's office into the massage room. Yeah, I had a good bit that I was working with to clear mostly everything out of his room and to set things up as a surprise with a massage table, soft music, and of course, you have to have candle lights. So keep watching so you can see how I transformed his office into a romantic spa setting. I even found the M&Ms. Yeah, he's been holding out on me. He's been snacking in the office, but I made sure I took that picture. I have to give a shout out to my goddaughter, Amanda, who let me borrow her massage table. If she had been in town, I'm sure she would have loved to do the massages for us. Okay, I have the massage table set up. The office is cleared out. So let's start decorating. I wanted to get the mood set, so I brought in my diffuser that I received as a Christmas gift from Amanda as well. She gave an assortment of oils. So for this, I'm using the eucalyptus. It's very calming as well as relaxing. Now, since we have our relaxing aroma throughout the room, let's go ahead and set up the candles all over the room where he had all of his items, his pictures, just all of his stuff. Let's just give him a transformation, a romantic, calming transformation to his office. So once we put all of our candles out, let's go ahead and put the massage oil and a few towels so we can get ready for the massage. I'm using 2 regular massage oils and 1 herbal rub. I just made a little heart around on top of the towels as well as on top of the mini refrigerator. I've spread rose petals, not too many, just to give it, still we're working with a Valentine's Day atmosphere. I have all of the extra tools for the massage. This is going to be so sweet and romantic, and oh, what a surprise this will be for him. And gentlemen, I'm not letting you off the hook. Definitely do this for your lady. Wouldn't we be so surprised to come home from a stressful day of work and set up in one of our rooms a massage table, some oil, and he just says, get ready. I'm going to give you a massage to just wipe away all of that stress. So, like I told you in all of my previous videos, if you don't have that special someone in your life, you can always give this as a gift to someone. There's somebody out there who needs some inspiration. They are 4 days away from Valentine's Day and they still don't know what they're gonna do for their mate. And if they don't have a mate, they are just trying to figure out, what am I going to do for Valentine's Day? And you don't have to go as far out as getting a massage table. You know, a massage can easily be done in your bed. But I just wanted to get a little bit more creative. For goodness sakes, that is my name, Creating with Miss K. So the creativity is just pouring out of me for this series. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and here it is, and I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, or if you've been coming watching a little bit and you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell up top so that way you'll be notified every time I put out a video. And to my current subscribers, I hope you guys are loving this. I hope it inspires you. Okay, now since we have the lights are off, the candles are on, and he has gotten home, let's do this. Let's walk him down to his surprise massage room. And when he enters in, my oh my, how surprised he will be. So ladies, get those hands ready. Let's get the oil going. You got the mood set. Everybody has candles. And if you don't buy massage oil, you know what? I'm sure some baby oil would work, but you still have time. Amazon.com has just about everything that I have. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it has inspired you. And tomorrow, day 11, I think you're gonna like it too. Have a great night. I'm looking forward to all of your comments. Bye-bye.